Washer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in washer repair that consists of front load washer repair, top load washer repair, electric washer repair, gas washer repair, along with all other washer models. We also specialize in all major brands of washers, such as Whirlpool washer repair, Maytag washer repair, Sears washer repair, Frigidaire washer repair, Asco washer repair, Bosch washer repair, Kenmore washer repair, and many more. If you're having problems with your washer, such as the washer won't spin, the washer's making a loud noise, the washer won't agitate, whatever your problem and whatever type of washer you have, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.